Additional learning needs in Wales. What's happening? Did you know that nearly a quarter of learners in Wales have some form of special educational need? Outcomes for learners with special educational needs are poor compared to the rest of the pupil population in Wales. The current system is based on a model which is over 30 years old and is no longer fit for purpose. In December 2017, the National Assembly for Wales passed a new law, the Additional Learning Needs and Education Tribunal Wales Act. It is anticipated that the new system will take effect from September 2020. Under the new system, we won't be calling it special educational needs anymore. Instead, we'll be talking about additional learning needs. All learners with ALN from birth to 25 years old will have individual development plans. These plans will set out the support that learners will have a legal right to receive. Services will also be required where necessary and possible to provide this support in Welsh. All the agencies involved in supporting the learner, whether in education, social services or health services, will work in partnership. The process will be much simpler and learners, their parents and their carers will be involved in the making of their plans. This will prevent disagreements from arising, but where they do, they will be resolved quickly. All learners with ALN will have the same rights of appeal if they do need to challenge decisions that are made. To make sure everyone involved understands the new legal process, the Welsh Government will publish a code for the ALN system which must be followed. We know that to create the system that we want, we'll have to do more than just change the law. We will be investing in the education workforce to make sure that all those who work with learners with ALN have the right skills. We are working with a wide range of services to help them prepare for the transition to the new system and develop closer working relationships. We will be helping learners, parents and practitioners understand the changes ahead and their new rights and responsibilities. We are also publishing guidance to support good practice. The new system won't just benefit learners with ALN. It will help to create a fair and inclusive education system where all children and young people are supported to overcome barriers to learning and participation and achieve their full potential. For more information, please visit www.gov.wales/ALN.